In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background video on Webflow. Adding a background video can truly elevate the visual appeal of your website and create a more engaging experience for your visitors. It's simpler than it sounds, and I'm here to walk you through the entire process step by step. First, let's start by accessing the Webflow interface. Once you have your project open, there are two ways to add an element. You can either press the letter A on your keyboard or head over to the left panel and click on the plus icon. This will open up a menu of elements that you can add to your site. Now, in that menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Advanced. Within this section, you'll see the option for a background video. Click and drag this element onto your site. You'll notice that you can play around with its placement, so find a good spot that suits your design needs. Once you've positioned the video element, the next crucial step is to adjust its size. You can modify its dimensions to make it fit perfectly within your design, whether you want it as a full-screen background or sized more modestly to fit within a section of your page. Now is your chance to make those adjustments. Just grab the adjustment handles and resize the video to your liking. After you've set the size, it's time to add the video content. Double-click on the video element you just placed, and you'll see an Upload Video button appear. Clicking on this will allow you to select the video file you want from your computer. Choose a high-quality video for the best visual impact. Once you've selected your video, click Open, and Webflow will handle the upload process for you. You'll notice a brief loading sequence, and then your video will appear in place. Now, for the magic moment, publishing your site. To see your video in action, go ahead and publish your changes. Webflow makes this easy with its intuitive Publish button. Once the process is complete, navigate to your site, you'll see the video playing beautifully in the background, just as you planned. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a background video to your Webflow site. With just a few clicks and tweaks, you've enhanced your design, and your website is now even more dynamic and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful Webflow tutorials.